Have you ever wondered whether, on the very day you were born, the universe was staging a colossal cosmic fireworks display just for you? Since its launch into orbit in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope has spent more than 3 decades capturing some of the most breathtaking images ever recorded of the cosmos. NASA even offers a fascinating feature. Simply enter your birth date, and you can discover the deep space image Hubble captured on that exact day. The light in those images has traveled across billions of light years, a gift from the universe arriving at the very moment you entered existence. But before we explore that personal connection, let us journey through 8 of Hubble's most iconic photographs, each representing a different class of celestial object. Together, they reveal the grandeur, violence, and beauty of the universe from stellar birth to cosmic death. The first is the pillars of creation within the Orion Nebula. These immense towers of gas and dust rise nearly 4 light-years high, resembling giant cosmic hands cradling newborn stars. Hidden within the glowing structures are young stellar objects whose intense radiation is actively eroding the nebular material that gave rise to them. This is not a gentle beginning. It is one of the most dramatic and turbulent processes in the universe. Next comes the Orion Nebula, the nearest massive star-forming region to Earth. Spanning more than 30 light-years, it contains thousands of newly formed stars. Hubble's observations penetrate the dense clouds of dust, revealing powerful stellar winds that carve cavities and channels through the surrounding gas. Every moment, vast quantities of matter collapse under gravity to form new stars, making this region one of the universe's most active stellar nurseries. The Orion Nebula represents one of the most extreme stellar environments known. At its heart lies Eta Carinae, a star roughly 100 times more massive than the Sun and a prime candidate for a future supernova explosion. Hubble has recorded enormous shock waves generated by this stellar giant, disturbances powerful enough to reshape surrounding regions across hundreds of light-years. The Crab Nebula is the remnant of a supernova observed from Earth nearly 1,000 years ago. At its center spins a pulsar rotating about 30 times every second, emitting intense beams of radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. The intricate filaments visible throughout the nebula are expanding shock fronts of energized plasma racing outward at extraordinary speeds. It stands as one of the most spectacular monuments to stellar death ever observed. The Helix Nebula, often called the Eye of God, is the fading remains of a sun-like star located only about 700 light-years away. Its central white dwarf has exhausted its nuclear fuel and expelled its outer layers, creating a vast, eye-shaped structure approximately 3 light-years across that appears to gaze silently into the depths of space. Another remarkable example is the Ring Nebula. Although it appears as a perfect ring from Earth, Hubble observations reveal that its true structure is closer to a cylindrical shell. The expanding gas continues to drift outward at tens of kilometers per second and will eventually disperse completely over the course of tens of thousands of years. In many ways, it offers a preview of what may become of our own sun roughly 5 billion years from now. The Sombrero Galaxy is one of the most elegant spiral galaxies ever observed, located approximately 29 million light-years away. Hidden within its luminous central bulge is a supermassive black hole, while a striking band of dark dust gives the galaxy its distinctive hat-like appearance. Hubble has also identified more than 2,000 globular clusters orbiting the system, forming a vast and highly organized galactic realm. Finally, there is the legendary Hubble Ultra Deep Field. Hubble focused on a tiny patch of seemingly empty sky and collected light continuously for 11 days. The result was astonishing. More than 10,000 galaxies appeared in a single image. The most distant among them emitted their light nearly 13.8 billion years ago. Almost every point of light visible in this photograph is an entire galaxy, making it one of the greatest achievements in the history of astronomical observation. Next, I will present 100 of the most extraordinary deep space images ever captured by Hubble. As they pass before your eyes, take a careful look. Perhaps one of them was recorded on the very day you were born. And if your image turns out to be especially remarkable, if it carries an extraordinary story, I will create a dedicated episode exploring the scientific mysteries hidden within it in far greater detail. So what gift did the universe offer you on the day you arrived? Leave your date of birth in the comments below. Perhaps the image associated with your birthday will become the centerpiece of the next episode. Thank you for watching. The universe still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered. Until our next journey into the unknown.